Good morning, mathematicians. It is Tuesday, and today is all about quick reminders before the test. Today is our testing day. It's also going to be known in math as Tricky Tuesday. Let's take a look. Tricky Tuesday, I will give you a riddle every Tricky Tuesday. Today is I'm tall when I'm young, and I'm short when I'm old. What am I? Think that through. You can pause if you want more thinking time. Do not Google it. See if you can come up with it. It's a candle. Get it? Do you get it? Think about it. All right, moving on. Here's our quick review before our test. Let's hit on the area model, also known as king and queen. If I wanted to do 6 times 4,562, I would build my rectangle. I have my peasant on the side, right? I have my king. I have my queen. I have my princess. I have my prince. The peasant goes walking, right? They give him that many, and look at this. We stack it over on the side before we add. If this is the strategy you choose on the math test, then you do you and choose it. Just don't forget to stack them and pay attention to place value. Sorry, it's also Tricky Tongue Tuesday. All right. Standard algorithm, also known for me as laser tag. If this is the way you choose to multiply, then that's wonderful. You just need to start in the ones place, to the tens, to the hundreds, and don't forget to multiply first and then add your bonus points up top, your regrouping, right? Don't forget that. That's the number one most forgotten thing when kids make a mistake. All right. Oh my goodness. I just skipped a slide, so now I have to run over to my computer. Grit is important, and we're going to talk about it in a minute. But first, let's look at this. This is our understand, plan, solve, check, and when do we use it? Yes, children, when we're faced with word problems, right? You can freeze the screen, you can look at this. I want you to really mark up those word problems, write them down if you need to on your own paper. Your test will be in a Google format, but if you need to record things, absolutely do it. Write things down, important information, remember to label it. Okay, and finally, grit. Grit is a noun. It means courage, bravery, pluck, mettle, backbone, spirit, strength of character, strength of will, moral fiber, steel nerve, fortitude, toughness, hardiness, resolve, resolution, determination, tenacity, perseverance, endurance, guts, spunk. Each one of you has grit. You all have grit. I always tell my students that a study was done on the most successful people in the world. And they're not the people who are just, born smart that we think some people are. I think everyone works for it. But they're people who have grit, who, when faced with a problem in their lives or in math, work through it. We don't have the tears. We don't have the crying. We don't give up. When something's hard, we work through it. And all of you have grit. That's why you're going to be super successful on your math test. And that's why you're going to be super successful in life. So you, right after this video, are going to go over to the math activity. You're going to get on that math Google form, and you're going to rock out this mid-module 3. All right, friends, I'll see you tomorrow for Weird Wednesday.